welcome to Biology, the scientific study of life. Interactions between organisms and the environment limit the distribution of species. The study of or biogeography, the study of the past and present distribution of individual species in the context of evolutionary theory. Ecologists have long recognized global and regional patterns in the distribution of organisms within the biosphere. Kangaroos occur in Australia but not in North America, whereas brongon antelope occur in the western United States but not in Europe or Africa. More than a century ago, Darwin, Wallace, and other naturalists began to identify broad patterns of distribution by naming biogeographic. Rawam, as shown this figure. We now associate these biogeographic realms with patterns of continental drift that followed the break up of the supercontinent Pangaea. Biography provides a good starting point for understanding what limits the geographic distribution of a species. To see how ecologists might arrive at such an understanding, let's walk our way through the series of equations in the follow chart. Notice that biogeographic realms, continental drift and barriers such as deserts and mountain ranges all contribute to the distinctive flora and fauna found in Earth's major biogeographic realms. The realms are not sharply delineated but gray together in zones where species from adjacent realms coexist. Notice that. Dispersal and distribution. The movement of individuals away from centers of high population density or from their area of origin, called dispersal, contributes to the global distribution of organisms. For example, why are there no kangaroos in North America? A biology or a biogeographer might propose this simple hypothesis. They could not get there because a barrier to their dispersal existed. The area has been inaccessible to kangaroos since they first appeared. However, while the land-bound kangaroos have not reached North America under their own power, some other organisms that are adapted for long distance dispersal, such as some birds have dispersal of organisms, is critical to understanding both geographic isolation in evolution and the broad patterns of current geographic distributions of species.